Welcome to Vidya Vaibhav Public School. The first topic is one point perspective. Names. This is for the month of September. So here I am going to show with the name letters A, B, C and D for the 4 letters. The same technique even you can try for your names, but in your drawing book you should try A, B, C, D. The 4 letters you should use. So the 1 point, this is a point of 1 point. Here I am drawing a parallel line to write a letter A, B, C and D. So using these parallel line, I am going to write a letter B. Can you see? First, every time we should plan our first face, right? So this is our first face of letter B. Usually we were doing with the square, rectangle, circle. So here, using the same technique, we are going to do for the letters. So the same technique will apply for numbers also. When we are doing for the first phase, it's not required we should use a point. And now letter D. So in the same way you can write your name and you can do it, but in your drawing book you are going to try only A, B, C and D. See, always find that where we are writing the letters, it should be within the parallel line with the two line. Okay, using these points we should connect to the one point. You should draw the imaginary line very lightly, don't make it dark. See, very lightly you should find. I am finding the other face. Exactly, I am giving a parallel line. Even we should give the depth for to this place also. And after completing the stroke, I am making little dark. The same method will followed for rest of the letters also. We'll go for the next letter B. See, that was a point to show the depth. I'm connecting to the point. See, imaginary line should be always very lightly, otherwise we couldn't find the depth, because it will the line, if line only it's confuse you a lot, you will not get a proper visual. Okay, so make sure that your visual is very clear. See, this is how we should take a measure. See how we did for the A. The same way with that width we are doing for the B. So now after completing the depth, I'm giving the stroke was little dark, and also I'm not erasing the imaginary line. Imaginary line should be like that only. And for C, again I'm connecting to one point to other point. I'm connecting the stroke. I'm measuring the height and the width. Yes, this is how the stroke will move. So it's overlapping. One slight small curve. So a small slight curve. So once it completed, then you can make your stroke is little dark. Okay, we'll go for the letter D. The same method, a same technique will follow here also. See, connect it and draw the other face. See, here you can observe how for the square we were seeing when it's go to the left side, we'll see the right side face. The same way the text also it's visible, like how it goes to right side will visible a left side faces. It will be in the same way. See, now it will connect to the point. See, this is how it will work. You can see the depth also, right? See, A and for the B we can see right side, C and D we can see the left side. See, here for the D I felt like it was stroke was little more outside, so I drawed one line and I'm connecting within that. Make sure that your pencil was sharp and you are using a proper stroke. Okay, don't erase the imaginary lines. The second topic, 1 point perspective. Exterior. This is for the month of September. And now draw a line exactly in the center like this, and then keep a point of 1 point in the center and draw a 3 lines from the point, and draw one straight line and one slant line. you should feel that line and stroke is look like a building, because here we are doing a exterior outdoor. I'm just erasing and I'm giving a same stroke. And then as like that same way, one you can draw a two lines, and then you can find another face, you can connect that to another line, and make sure that you're making dark a building line stroke should be dark, then only you can, your visual will be very clear what you are doing. Yes, no, it's that we are standing in the center of, in the center, and then we are looking upward to the sky. The visual is like that. You should complete all over the place. Don't do 1 2 3, complete all over, at least maximum 6 to 7 you should cover. Don't leave more white space. And then you should draw one slant line and one parallel line. See, one parallel straight line and one is like slant line. Can you feel the thing? Visual is that you are standing in center, and around you you are seeing a buildings. And in the center draw a sun, and shade it completely and draw the sun. Okay, the first topic we learned names. The second topic we learned exterior using a technique of 1 point. Thank you.